Hi everyone, welcome. Today we build a on-chain messenger app where you can send a message on-chain to any wallet address. Here you can write a message. The message will be encoded in hex here. You can copy the data and you can paste, or it's automatically come here. You can connect wallet, you can select the chains here, Ethereum, Polygon, and these all chains, and you can send a message. This app is available on our GitHub. It's publicly available. You can clone this code and you can modify and improve. Let me give you an example how it's work. First we will connect a wallet. Our wallet is connected. We will write the message here. Okay, it's converted. We can copy, and it's also here comes the data automatically. What we need a reception address, or where we want to send the transaction. Here is the address. We want to send message on this address. Let me paste it here and send a message. Okay, confirm. Okay, transaction confirmed. Back to home, and let me refresh. Okay, here we can see this is our first transaction, this is the second one, and we can check more, and here is the data. We can convert it. We are watching you. So this is app you can use on locally. Right now we don't deploy anywhere, so you can get this app and run locally, or you can host anywhere you want. Thank you.